Construction is well underway to turn the former senior center into Frisco's new municipal court building.
Everything's been going on as planned. We seem to be running on schedule. Super excited. I've been excited ever since I saw these construction fence barriers go up. I knew it was, coming really soon, so it was really exciting to see that happen.
Construction started the 1st of August with demolishing the inside and part of the outside of the building. The front will be transformed and look more stately, and other parts of the facility will be expanded to accommodate the growing city. The more spacious design will help our new normal of social distancing.
Everything that was designed is designed to keep things separate, to keep things very traffic flow friendly. So I think everything would be in compliance with the COVID rules and the rules that we've established for the court as well.
The current municipal court offices have been on Main Street since 2008, and staff is using all available space to work. The renovated building near City Hall will more than double the square footage for the municipal court to about 24,000 square feet and provide even more room to expand.
Especially right now with COVID going on, this has a lot more space. Over there, we're really crowded. It's very hard for us to separate. We've had to close the court a couple of days a week so that we could accommodate our dockets, and then we're open the other part of the week to accommodate the walk-in traffic. People who can come in and take care of their traffic tickets at the window and do things without having to go into the courtroom. So we've had to break that up. This facility, we would probably be able to do both things at the same time.
2015 voter-approved bonds will pay for the $10 million project. Construction on the new municipal court building is expected to be complete by late next year.